vlogging after such a long time. Feels so good. I'm talking to the camera. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm on a road trip to Jowai. So the Sikkim squad is back with a Jowai trip finally, and it's, what's the date today?
It's Sunday.
I asked date.
Oh, date.
Popat. Hamesha Popat. It's 24th and it's Saturday. So the agenda of this ride is we are going to NARTIANG, which is on Jowai, and we're gonna check out the monoliths in there. So I hope you guys will like our journey. So that's our ride for today, the Yamaha FZ, and you know this bad guy. Okay, we are about to leave now. क्या बोलती है पब्लिक?
क्या बोलते हैं पब्लिक पता नहीं मेरे को। ऐसे अचानक से मत लाया करो यार, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं।
हाँ क्या?
ऐसे अचानक से मत लाया करो, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं।
So playing with the GoPro today. So it's around 12:55 and we have stopped here for our lunch. We'll have our lunch in here. And there's Abhilash. कैसा लगा रास्ता, कैसा लगा? It's his first time again in here.
The road was very nice. Curves तो मज़ा ही मज़ा है और बहुत जोर से भूख लग रही है.
लग रही है. Okay, I understand. So girls.
Yes. Hello.
कौन?
क्या खाएगा? Hello. So we just had our lunch at this highway dhaba, and now we are going for NARTIANG. I don't know anything else.
हुर दबंग
ये हमारा दुखी भरा भाई जो बहुत दुखी रहता है, सो इसीलिए आया इसको थोड़ा एंटरटेन करने के लिए। इतना रोया, आँख भी लाल हो गया। पता नहीं क्यों रोया। बाईपास पहुंच गए गेस ना। और हम लोग अभी यहाँ क्लाउड्स देख रहे हैं,
व्यू का लुत्फ उठा रहे हैं। काफी मजेदार व्यू।
अलकायदा जन লাগিছে নেকি? Exactly.
चलो चलो जाओ बोलो. So guys, it's 5:30 in the evening and we have reached Jowai and we have booked a hotel in the Jowai city itself. So we just came out for a walk. We'll be here for tonight and we'll leave by tomorrow. Oh, wow. One hell of a view.
See, my choice of place.
So here's a 360 view of this church with a GoPro.
Guys, अगर मुझे कभी दिन कुछ हो गया, प्लीज़ इस इंसान को पकड़ो क्योंकि इसका कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. हमेशा मुझे गिरा दूंगा, छोड़ दूंगा, यही बोलते रहते हैं.
ठिकाना नहीं है because I'm a nomad. Nomad बोले.
Nomad.
Morning from Jowai. So we are about to leave now. We are going to the parking place where we parked our bike, and yep, we'll see you on the road. For Nartiang, leaving Jowai. So, taking the help of GPS Mata, got a couple of drone shots, and I hope we'll be there at Nartiang for like 1 or 2 hours maximum, and then we'll leave for Guwahati. We got to reach Guwahati by before 6 or 7, so we took the diversion to Nartiang and it's 8 kilometers from here. I'll keep you guys updated. So finally we saw a glimpse of the monolith on my left. Looks pretty cool though. Awesome. So finally लेके आ गया आपको.
लेके आ गए आप. देखो tallest वाला नहीं दिख रहा क्यों? अंदर होगा सर.
वाला अंदर होगा. Kipper Maubina Monolith Garden. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. फाइनली बकेट लिस्ट में एक चीज टिक हो गया.
मुझको थैंक यू बोले नको है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
रास्ता 8 हो जाम तुम्हारा.
इटू है ना?
इटू नहीं इटू बा. इटू है.
Hello everyone. So right now we are in Nartiang monoliths. According to the history, it is known as like the stones have been erected here during the 1500 AD, and the tallest monolith of Meghalaya, which is the Mulong Siam, is situated in here. Let me show you the view, and we're enjoying here. It's very nice, very peaceful, and the environment is very nice. I wanted to visit this place since very long, but I didn't know where it is located. So with Bhaskar and Jyoti and Vilas, I'm here right now. Let me show you the tallest one. It's 8 meter long, which is this.
And my camera got hijacked by her. I hope whatever she said is on point.
Did I hijack your camera?
मेरा camera को kidnap कर लिया. And she said she wants to speak in front of you guys.
That's not true. Yeah. That's not true.
Patma be promoting local
Delhi pure
drinking water.
drinking water.
Rose Pio, Delhi pure Pio. Full hello. So guys, that's it from this place, the NARTIANG Monoliths. I don't know much about this place, but yeah, it's a really cool place to hang out, and I've taken some drone shots. You have seen it already. I hope you guys liked it, and we're about to leave now and have something. We are leaving from NARTIANG right now and we are heading towards this Durga Mandir in here. It's like 1.5 kilometers away from NARTIANG Monolith. And then that's the last stop we'll take. After that we'll head back to Guwahati. And I like this tree. Updates. So it's 11:30 in here. Oh, so cute. Welcomes you to Durga Temple, NARTIANG. Okay. As per my information, this temple is like 500 years old. Durga Temple कौन से साइड में है? ऊपर ना? Thank you.
So we are now at the Durga Mandir near Jowai. It is said to be 500 years old and it is known as one of the Shakti Pith, but not that famous like others. कहते हैं यहाँ भगवान जी का थाइस गिरा था. So let's see. This is the temple. And this is the majestic view. We can see some monoliths here too. It is in NARTIANG only. और आप लोग यहीं पे रहते हो? चलो बाय बाय. So इसके अंदर तो मैं अकेली चली गई. Others are waiting here and he is here. Say hello.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Jyoti and Avilas. Bye bye.